Welcome to this step-by-step guide on creating a birthday registry on Amazon in just 5 minutes. We begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Amazon homepage. When you are on the main page of Amazon, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as you will soon begin interacting with various elements of the site. After you have arrived at the home page, look towards the top of the screen for the section dedicated to account options. Here you will find an area labeled with terms that reference your account and available lists. A click in this region will reveal a drop-down menu that lets you manage your personalized lists. This is where you will start building your birthday registry. Within the menu that appears, search for the option that allows you to view your lists. This action will direct you to a page that gathers all of your saved and created lists. Sometimes it may take an extra moment to load, so be patient while the page populates with your stored content. Once you are viewing your lists, locate the one specifically intended for birthday gifts. If multiple lists are present, review the titles carefully and select the one labeled as your birthday gift list. This helps keep your registry organized and ensures that friends and family will be guided directly to birthday wishes when they visit your registry later on. In the birthday gift list section, the next step is to initiate the creation of a new gift list. Look for an option that hints at creating or adding a new list and click on it. This action opens up a form where you can input various details regarding your upcoming gift list. Within the form, you will now be prompted to select an occasion. Choose the option that corresponds to a birthday so that the registry will be tailored to that specific celebration. After selecting the correct occasion, you must then add a name for your new list. Take the time to choose a clear and descriptive name that will immediately inform any visitor of the purpose of the registry. Following this, you will also be asked to add your own name into the form. Enter your name exactly as you would like it displayed for those who might be looking to give you a gift. Once you have provided all the required information for the list name and your personal name, proceed by clicking the Continue option. The next part of the process involves setting the specifics regarding the timing and delivery logistics. Here, a screen will appear that prompts you to select a date and an address. The date you choose can indicate when the birthday celebration will take place, and the address is used for shipping purposes or for directing guests to further details. After making these selections, simply click Continue again. Finally, you are asked to select a privacy setting for your registry. Choose the setting that best suits your needs, whether you prefer a public registry or a more private list that requires specific access. With all the details in place and your privacy settings configured to your liking, confirm all the information by clicking the final Create button. Following these instructions will successfully set up a birthday registry on Amazon, providing a clear and organized way for your loved ones to select a thoughtful gift. Enjoy the simplicity and efficiency that comes with using Amazon's registry feature for your birthday celebration.